homies. अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. अभी तो पार्टी. Welcome back to Abhi to Party Shuru Hui Hai on Radio Noida 107.4 FM. So I'm getting a lot of these WhatsApps from my fans, from my listeners who are complaining that their fear is to lose a loved one. Now, I personally feel the solution to that is really quite simple. It's not the length of your loved one's life, but the quality of it. So instead of worrying about losing them in the future, how about spending some quality time with them in the present so that you can enjoy the moment? And you know what? When you're really happy and smiling, you live longer. That's been scientifically proven. And now we've come to the segment where we take a caller. Hello.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. May I know who am I talking to?
My name is Chitra और मैं दिल्ली से बोल रही हूँ.
Tell me, Chitra, आपका सबसे बड़ा fear क्या है?
My biggest fear is to connect with people. Actually, मैं बहुत introvert हूँ. मैं strangers से बात नहीं कर पाती. Even मेरे friends भी बहुत कम हैं.
So basically, you're suffering from loneliness.
Yes, I'm feeling very lonely.
तो उसके लिए आपको एक रिजॉल्व मैं बता सकती हूँ कि आप हर दिन कम से कम 4 या 5 नए लोगों से दोस्ती करें, मिलें, बात करें, क्योंकि जब आइडियाज एक्सचेंज होते हैं तभी रास्ते निकलते हैं. एंड देन अगेन देयर आर डेटिंग एप्स, देयर आर मोबाइल एप्स, देयर इज ऑनलाइन डेटिंग, देयर इज सो मच गोइंग ऑन इन द वर्ल्ड. सो स्टॉप बीइंग एन इंट्रोवर्ट, गेट आउट देयर एंड मीट पीपल. फॉर ऑल यू नो, प्रिंस चार्मिंग is just round the bend, but you have to make the effort of breaking yourself free from the cage you have made around you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much for the solution.
So do you hear our radio show often?
Yes, ma'am. I really hear your show. Mostly, whenever your show broadcasts, I mostly hear your show.
That's so nice. Thank you so much, darling, and keep calling, okay? All the best. So in case you're still feeling fearful and wound up, I have another solution. Why don't you log on to my website www.pwojamisrraofficial.com and be a part of my Bollywood film, Jad. Fill in the form and get over the ultimate fear of facing the camera. Yes, come on over. We shall make you fearless. Another fear that everybody frequently seems to be mentioning is defamation. Well, you know what? I have faced that, and I know it's not pleasant. It can be very, very heartbreaking, and one can feel extremely helpless. So how does one face the fear of being defamed? Well, quite honestly, this is how I handle it. Firstly, you have to increase your shock absorber, thicken your skin, and not let it get to you, or your daily activities for that matter. Yes, I know it's not very nice when people are perceiving you as someone you're not, but you know what? That shouldn't stop you from being yourself. And defamation, for a fact, only is a fear because of the shock value it holds. So the moment you remove the shock value of fear from defamation, I think it has no hold on you. So next time anybody writes something stupid about you, the wise just ignore. So do I. And today, I don't know why, since morning, there's a song that's been ringing in my head. It goes something like this. Do one thing every day that scares you. Heard this one? Well, I'm talking about Everybody Must Wear Sunscreen by Baz Luhrmann. And it's more a conversation than a song. And in that, he punctuates that do one thing every day that scares you. So let's cut a long story short and get to the point. what scares you? What are the predominant pillars in the zone of fear as far as you're concerned? Let's get out of our comfort zone and get uncomfortable, because there's a theory to that too. That which is uncomfortable now, which we take head on, will not be uncomfortable tomorrow and will start appearing in your comfort zone. So let's go out there and conquer the world, which more often than not begins by conquering your own fears. So in case you want to talk to me, the best way is to WhatsApp me, and the number you do that on is 9582751074. You can also drop me a mail on info@radionoida.fm. Now, when we talk about fear, there are plenty, apparently. Age, money, career, losing loved ones, loneliness, defamation. So let's deal with them one at a time. As far as age is concerned, well, age is an issue of mind over matter. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter. The secret of staying young is to live honestly, eat slowly, and you know what? Just lie about your age. It doesn't matter, because age is nothing but a number. It's more about your state of mind, how beautifully you live your life, how positive you feel every morning, how good a care you take of your body, your skin. That's all that matters. Follow these tips and you will be happy to report that your inner child is still ageless. How's that? Well, if you're much of a spender like me, I can understand the fear associated with blowing up all that you've got. But the only solution that one should adhere to in circumstances like these is saving regularly. So you earn a paycheck of an X amount, you cut off 25% of every paycheck and put it in your savings, so that one fine day when it's rainy and you feel all your money is over, all the 25% that have been accumulating every month of the year turn out to be your savior on that rainy day. Then again, there is a stagnant career that many fear. Well, for that, you gotta just keep on updating your skills, learn new things, take courses, be curious, be alert about what's going on, and you would never get stagnant, because if you keep moving ahead with the times, so will your career. So I hope I've made you see eye to eye with a lot of things that you fear and have made you a wee bit more confident person. Now that calls for celebration. So how about a track on Abhi to Party Shuru Hui Hai, only on Radio Noida 107.4 FM.